Hi kids, welcome to my DoodleBoo Kids channel. Are you ready? Let's go. Wow, beautiful acrylic paint markers. Wow, it looks great. I love coloring and tracing. Now kids, we learn color names. It's a purple color. Red color. Orange color. Kids, what is the name of this color? Yellow color. Kids, it's a green color. Green color. It's a parrot color. White color. Kids, it's a white color. Black color. Pink color. Blue color. It's a brown color. It's a sky blue color. Wow, it looks great. Now we arrange it. Let's start tracing. Black color. Kids, what is the name of this color? Black color. We use black color for tracing. Wow, it looks great. A. It's a letter P. It's a letter P. L. E. Apple. Kids, what is this? It's a apple. Tracing done. Let's start coloring. It's a brown color. What is the name of this color? Kids, it's a brown color. Green color. Kids, it is a green color. What is the name of this color? It's a green color. Wow, it looks great. Kids, do you like apple? Wow, it looks great. Red color. What is the color of apple? Kids, the color of apple is red. So it is a red color. Good job. I love acrylic paint markers. It looks great. Wow, it looks great. Kids, what is this? It's a apple. A P P L E. Apple. What we called it? Apple. It's a red color. Green color. It's a brown color. Goodbye, kids. See you in next video.